Have you ever wondered if Zelle, the popular peer-to-peer payment app, requires your Social Security number, SSN, to function? It's a common question among users who prioritize privacy and security. In this video, we'll dive deep into the matter and provide a clear answer. Context: Zelle has gained immense popularity due to its ease of use and speed. It allows users to send money directly to bank accounts or other Zelle users. However, with the increasing number of online scams, concerns about data privacy have also risen. One of the most frequently asked questions is whether Zelle requires users to share their SSNs. The short answer: no, Zelle does not require your Social Security number to use its services. The long explanation: let's break down why this is the case. Zelle's privacy policy: Zelle explicitly states in its privacy policy that it does not collect or require users to provide their SSNs. This commitment to data privacy is a key factor in its popularity. How Zelle works: Zelle operates as a network connecting banks and credit unions. When you send money through Zelle, it doesn't directly handle your funds. Instead, it acts as a messenger, instructing your bank to transfer funds to the recipient's bank. This process doesn't involve sharing sensitive personal information like SSNs. Security measures: while Zelle doesn't require SSNs, it employs various security measures to protect user data. These include encryption, fraud monitoring, and multi-factor authentication. Common misconceptions. Linking to bank accounts: some users may confuse the process of linking their bank accounts to Zelle with providing their SSNs. When you link your bank account, you typically provide your bank account number and routing number. These details are used to verify your identity and facilitate transactions. However, they do not include your SSN. Third-party apps: it's important to note that while Zelle itself doesn't require SSNs, some third-party apps or websites that integrate with Zelle might have different requirements. Always exercise caution when using such platforms and review their privacy policies carefully. Tips for safe Zelle usage: verify recipients. Before sending money, double-check the recipient's information to avoid scams. Enable two-factor authentication. This extra layer of security can help prevent unauthorized access to your account. Be wary of phishing attempts. Be cautious of emails or messages that ask for personal information, especially if they claim to be from Zelle. Report suspicious activity. If you encounter any suspicious activity, report it to Zelle immediately. In conclusion, Zelle does not require your Social Security number to use its services. It prioritizes data privacy and employs various security measures to protect user information. By understanding how Zelle works and following safe usage practices, you can confidently use the app without worrying about your SSN. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.